up, folks? This is gonna be a random video thing. I picked up. Yeah, you're gonna laugh because I picked up this flex paste. It's color is it? Stops leaks, thick rubber paste. It's doesn't say what color it is. Swift response. Pretty short. I don't know. Anyway, it's flex paste. It's paste. It comes with a thing here. Let me peel it open here. See what. Oh, there's a stop. Do not discard foil. So anyway, it's in here. What did I buy it for? I bought it so I can temporarily stop a leak on my truck. Yeah, I could use silicone, but for now I'm just gonna put it on the little top. My window's leaking from. I know it's probably not thing to do, but I figured, you know what? I want to try flex paste. I'm gonna cover the whole section of the window. It's dries, whatever. It's pasty. There's 65 other products I could use, but this was like almost nothing. So I'm putting flex paste. It literally leaks in one spot in my window. In my truck. It's an old truck. It doesn't have to be perfect. I could have JB welded the damn thing. I don't care. I could probably weld a window place, but I figure I'm thinking maybe I should probably put removable silicone, but then again, if the truck moves in the front window, it's going to remove itself. So put something more permanent. It's just a hack job for now, till I can get the window replaced. Afraid if I get the window replaced, the whole thing's going to be rotten. It's going to cost even more. So with that said, I also picked up a... what else did I get? Oh, yeah, I'll save it for another. You know what? I'll do it on one video. I got this thing. Flex paste and Honda parts. This is a... Let me lower this thing. Hold on. Stay tuned, folks. You can see my fat head in here. Let me lower this. Ah, come on. Oh, it's gonna fall off. No, no. Ah! Almost lost the whole thing here. I think I lost the whole rig. Uh-oh. What the hell's going on? I can't stop the video because here we go. Sorry about that. I lowered the little arm here and the whole thing just fell off. So anyway, what I was saying is I picked up a piece of this thing. It is a rubber. It's a rubber plug that goes in the accessory plug on the vehicle, on the Honda. Is it? I think it needs some rubber conditioner because it's getting kind of tough and whatever. So I don't know if they still sell these or what. I wanted the plug because apparently if you take something out of here, apparently there's a way to get this out of here. I don't know. There's supposed to be a way to get this out of here. Plug something in. Not sure. Anyway, I know which plug it is. I know how it plugs in, and that's the accessory plug. I'm guessing there's a little plug that goes in here. I'm guessing. So that's that. Him the little things. I also picked up another Honda part. Where is it? Lug nuts. For those of you who like nuts. Nuts. Yeah, really exciting. I could have bought a brand new set, but for a couple of bucks, I lug nuts. I need another set because the other ones are, I don't know what kind of lug nuts they put on the thing, but they were not the right ones. Yeah. What else? These are supposed to be, I don't know, ancient Chinese fighting. These are supposed to be fork things. I don't know where that, is it fork or shocks? Where's the shocks? Hold on, I have a pair of shocks here. Shock adjusters. I don't think these will work, but they're supposed to go in there. I honestly think maybe this might have to be welded to a steel bar for it to use it. Not sure. Don't think it's gonna work. And no, here's a shock. These things are. There was another use for these exact things. I forget what the hell they're called, but I got those. Sure. Other than that, there was paint and other stuff. So not a whole lot of exciting things here. Oh, I also picked up. This is what I like. Wait, not this. I picked up. You know what? I'm gonna do it in a separate video because that's a whole other ball game. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's my little tool thing for this week. Toodles.